Question 19. Remove nth node from end of list, linked list. So if you understand linked list, you should know how to construct one and how to insert and remove one. So now we are trying to remove from the end of the list. So if we read this question, blah blah blah, this and this. So let's just get started and see if we can do this in one go. So we have definition of a linked list here. Let me copy this, paste it here, remove all this funny asterisk comment. So and from here, so what I'm going to be doing now is to extract all this node from this linked list into an array, then reverse it, then remove the element, the nth node, reverse it again, like return it back to the original order, then turn it back to a linked list, and then return it as the output. So this is what I'm going to be doing now. So the first thing is to convert it into an array, which is going to be, we can do while current is not equals null. Let me do our array equals empty array, and I say array dot push current dot value, then current equals current dot next. So with this, now we've successfully extracted all the nodes into an array. So now we can just easily reverse it with this almighty powerful reverse function and then we can splice it and do nth minus 1 comma 1 is going to remove this nth value from our array, and then we can just easily reverse it back to the original value and then convert it into a linked list. Now it's an array, we want to convert this array into a linked list, so we can use a for loop and say const element of array. So before we do that, let's initialize the new head we want to return equals null, and then the new current that we want to be using as a pointer also equals null, and then we now say if this new head equals null, what do we want to do? We want to initialize it and say new head equals new link load element, then we assign the current equals new head. Else, if this new head is not null, that means we already have our current, we just say current dot next equals new list node element, then we're going to say current equals current dot next. So with this now we should have converted our array back to a linked list, and then we can return this new head. As easy as that, or simple as that. So let's test if our code is running. Hey, great, it's running. So let's test this 1 2 1 2 and see if our code is running. So let's read through the edge cases and see, do we have any weird edge case. Let's run this one. It's going to pass. Okay, great. Now all our examples are running fine. Hopefully we do not miss any edge case. Let's see if our code is going to pass all edge cases. Submit. uh, Please work. Oh, please. Oh, great, it worked. 94 milliseconds faster than 64, blah blah. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any question, please drop it in the comment section. See you in the next video. Bye bye.